Well, here at Twinkle Tunes and Lighting, we had a pretty big windstorm last night and blew a bunch of my props down, lost my sign, lost some spiders. Hey, I'm gonna rebuild. Here we go, let's get into it. Let's make a montage, a montage.
The day is approaching to give it your best, and you've got to reach your prime. That's when you need to put yourself to the test and show us a passage of time. We're gonna need a montage. A sports training montage.
As I'm climbing up on my roof here, I'm still trying to find half of my props that blew down the other day. I think one's on the roof up here. I'll take you guys up there to go find it. Go see if I can go find that. It's up here somewhere. Maybe it's over here. If it looks like it blew one of my spiders around and I found the other one. A little water in there never hurt anybody. Let's get these fixed and get them put back on the house. Golly, I hate the wind. I can't figure out why. Well, how am I gonna get over there? I'm gonna have to get the stinking ladder out.
Show a lot of things happening at once. Remind everyone of what's going on. And with every shot, show a little improvement. To show it all would take too long. That's called a montage. Even Rocky had a montage. In any sport, if you want to go from just a beginner to a pro, you need a montage. A simple little montage. Always fade out in a montage. If you fade out, it seems like more time has passed in a montage.